uza inecto.
Ça fait rêver, ça fait vibrer, ça fait danser. Oh, Africa.
Baby.
Hello. That's my track right there. If I was one of the organizers, the organizer 2010, I was going to use that track. I wish I let it
Africa. Parihula barajaya visa de sorona. Bakewala ye wala malilela. Lakini le Gabon, Sénégal, le Bénin, Yaoundé, oh quel beau pays.
Yes, because I find. Konle as a point. The young and bear who's way dumbo. Shy. That's why I can't let a look shining as my can I found, but I would have used that song. I would love to see them using that song for 2010. Because that's a brilliant music. If we ask music, it's got Maskandi, it's got R&B, it's got house, it's got everything in together. Into house was born with because R&B and Maskandi and Kwaito. Okfan. R&B. So like jago album, R&B yasho nje yonke into ngocansi. Yonke into ngocansi nje. Album ka Chris Brown. Igama le album exclusive. They got Rihanna. Good girl gone bad. Babyface grown sexy. Yonke into nje inocansi noma beyicula fanele ukuze ugwinya amazwi. Awazi ukucula ichorus le R&B ungacothi wow. Kuba nocansi ucansi ulifila ngaphakathi ulizwe. Afani uMaskandi is very confrontational. Maskandi ba complainer. Awukho umntu uzocomplain njengoMaskandi umfazi omnyama nezingane zakhe ngamalangabi. Noma ecula nje ukathi wemama. Yonke into nabafufusayo aMaskandi amagama abo abaqondisi. Igama le group abaqondisi. Igama le album bazosizwa. Ingane zoma. Ngeke uzenzele utheka imali ezingane. Ishanga ama side burner. Gadaya phela emakhaya. They use the dye. Rural people, I love them so much. They turn everything into whatever shit they like. It's an inecto dye. It's supposed to dye the hair. But it is used for the hair and the makeup. All in one. You dye the side bands. Uzamadoda khona ekhaya ethi hey kodwa yazi uNdlovu uwinile la manzi yakamagumede. Ihwanqa liphuphuzela uboya. Yonke into imi ngomumo. And you get to jazz songs. Jazz songs are so poetic. Yawuthi ukubulala ijazz ngathi uzucabanga uthule. Mongakaze nje ufana nami nje mina I'm a very nice and a very proactive emjandevu. Kodwa uyayilalela ijazz. Ukhuleke ngoba amagama akhona it's El Clue. Mountains in the winds. Into ahlangana. Awuvela uthonje album somabhandi nje album izokhuluma ukuthi abacula phakathi ngoba akekho noculayo kule Mountains in the Wind konje nje Mountains in the Winds. Mountains in the Wind, the album.